Ọdịnala bụ eziokwu. Ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ. Ị ma na o nwere olu na-eti mkpu na-asị ụmụ Igbo chigharịa, ụmụ Igbo chigharịa. Kwa mbọsị ọ na-eti, n'ụtụtụ n'abalị ọ nọ na nkụzi. Eze-Ana, Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu, onye ọma n'ọrụ ifite, onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu, onye ọma na-eje eme ọnụ. Ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu, onye ọma n'ọrụ ifite, onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu, onye ọma na-eje eme ọnụ. Ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana ga-adị, Ugochi tubelu ga-adị, Ugochi tubelu temple ọ ya adị. Maka na eziokwu anwụ chacha, ndị okenye ga-adị fanta mbaki, ndị ochie adị fanta mbaki. Fada sikara aka ọgọrọ ụmụ Igbo si anyị rapụ nke anyị na nke fa ka mma. Bụrụ Baịbụl bịa, akwụkwọ akụkọ ebekwa chọọchị fa, obodo ga-adịkwa. Mana Ugochi tubelu ekweghị ekwe, Eze-Ana si n'ọma mme. Ọdịnala ọmanwụ chacha, oge ọbụla ọ na-eti, ọ nọ na nkụzi. Chukwu abịa ma gbaa ume, ọdịnala ya dị. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu, onye ọma n'ọrụ ifite, onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu. Ụtụtụ ọma na ụmụ ọdịnala Igbo, anyị abịakwanụ n'oge awa nke eziokwu, oge anyị ji awa eziokwu niile agba. Aka m ka onye nke gị, onye isi oche n'oge awa nke eziokwu. Aha m bụ Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu n'Oraifite. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochi tubelu dara tempụl. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi, rụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Prayer Ministry. Ụbọchị Wednesday ka anyị ji alụ ya bụ ministration using ọdịnala method. Ka bụ ihe ị kwesịrị ịma. Nke ọzọzi bụ abụkwa m onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo and ọdịnala evangelist. Ajụjụ ihe ị kwesịrị ịma nye onye ka anyị na-ewetara. My mission is to help people live better life. Na oge awa nke eziokwu bụ oge anyị ji adọgba eziokwu niile agba. Isiokwu anyị n'ụbọchị tata bụ how to be successful massively in 21st century. How to be making money, how to be earning money using social media platforms. Nkụzi anyị ji bịa tata bụ a life changing one. O nwere part 1 and part 2. Ọ bụrụ na anyị kụzie nke anyị akụzi tata, echi niile ọ ya continue the part 2. We continue. Listen and listen good. I can tell you, today's topic is a life-changing one. It will change lives. It will change lives. You pay attention and apply the thing I will teach you step by step. Because how to be successful is a principle. Yes, how to create wealth. There is principle, natural principle, that once you apply them, you get results. Yes. Now Jesus cannot give you money. Yes. Because when you could be able to, especially in Africa, area front and back. What will make you to be successful is applying those natural principles that will make you succeed massively. On your topic, then, ọkwa ọzọ dị mkpa bụ echefuna na aja anyị na-achụ kwa ọnwa nke ọnwa Nọvemba ka na-aga n'iru. Anyị ga-achịkọta ya na Nọvemba 19th. So ndị niile ọ gbasara ya bụ aja
amalugo ka esi esonyere anyị na ya bụ aja. Then ndị ọ bụ ọlụ ha isonyere anyị esonyegoro anyị ya. Ụbọchị anyị ga-achịkọta ya, ndị awa sonyekwara anyị na 19th ka anyị ga-esendikwara ha messages. Anyị ga-esendị ha messages etu o si wee gbakọ. Ịghọtara ya? Aha. So nya bụ ihe ị kwesịrị ịma. Then nke ọzọzi bụ ụbọchị Wednesday ụbọchị anyị ji ekwubi okwu, anyị ji eme ọdịnala administration. Ịghọtara ya? Then n'isiokwu anyị ji bịara ụbọchị taa na nkụzi nke ụbọchị taa is a life changing one dịka nsi wee kwu. Then ka anyị bido how to be successful. Enwere 3 things dị very important. 1, you must have a vision. You must have vision. You must be knowledgeable. You must understand the principles of creating wealth. Natural things you must do. Look around the world, the successful people. You must be a connector. You must be mentored. And lastly, it must be creativity. It must have creative mind. It must be a creator, an inventor. Okay, when is something in a provide, you are giving back to nature using your talent. Let me tell you 2 ways of making money on social media. 1 is either you are promoting some goods or promoting items, or you are selling. Either you are a connector. Yes, you are a connector, or promoting a brand, or you are a connector, or you are able to solve people's problem. And there are so many ways you can solve people's problem. Do you get? Yes, and there are so many ways you can be able to solve people's problem. Let me give you an example. Why do we pay medical doctors? We pay our medical doctors because they are solving our health issues. You can see it. Why you pay your doctors? Because their doctor is a problem solver, right? Yes. Once you will be able to be a problem solver, you will get paid. Why do we pay our landlords? It's not because our landlord is handsome, but we pay our landlords because he or she is solving our house needs. Therefore, he will be paid. Why do we pay our lawyers? We pay them because they help us with their services. We pay them because they help us with their own services. So they deserve pay. You are a business man or woman. You will be able to pay because you are like a representative of maybe a product. Any product you are selling, you are a promoter to that product. Yes, you will make your profit by promoting that end product of some companies. That's why you are being paid. I want you to understand the principle how things work. Yes. So now, since you understand why you earn your own money, is either you are a service provider, or you are selling or promoting a brand, or you are a connector, as in presenting platform. Let me give you an example. Why do you know huge amount of money the goggles of this world are making? Do you know what is the work of goggles of this world? The goggles of this world is the information. They are information providers. They help you to provide those informations you are searching for using search engine. Yes, go using Google search engine, right? You are looking for how for the one thing, one information or the other. Then you go and ask Google. Those information is information provided by individuals, but Google as a platform, put them together. They are a group of people. Put them together, knowing fully well that if people will need those information, and for the fact that Google, as of today, remains the biggest search engine. They provide those information. Whatever you ask for them, they provide it for you. And because of providing that information, they control traffics. Millions of people all over the globe normally go to Google to search for one information or the other. And therefore, by so doing, Google is being paid because they are making their money for the fact that they've created that platform to have thousands of people coming for that information. For the fact that thousands of people are coming for that information, then because of that, lots of companies normally come there to ask for those information. For the fact that those companies come to ask for those informations, then they get paid. You know what I mean? Those companies normally come for those information. Those companies normally come for those informations. Millions of people normally come for those information. And because millions of people do visit Google to search for some information, some companies they are willing to pay huge amount of money to get their advert placed on Google. Therefore, Google are being paid huge amount of money for their services. The same thing that is what is happening to other platforms. Okay, what is the work of the Blue app? Mark Zuckerberg of this world. He created a platform where for interaction, for person to person, for friends to friends, where friends will connect to friends. That is the platform. He created a platform. And for that reason, he's earns his more money. Because millions of people visit his Blue app for those connections, to connect to their friends, old friends to new friends and whatever. Because of that, millions of people do come to place their own advert in that Blue app. Because knowing fully well that millions of people visit the Blue app, and knowing fully well that thousands and millions of people will come across it, they paid for their advert. And even you that is logging into the Blue app, you committed your own money through your data, paying for your data. So he's earning his own money by becoming a connector. He's a connector. Yes, the Blue app become connector, connecting old friends and new friends. Therefore, he earns any money. You get. Now, again, you sometimes, if I tell you how to do your own investment, yes, there are so many ways you can make money. If you have money to build a plaza, maybe you are a rich man, you can afford to build a plaza, you will be paid because it's an investment. People will come and rent their plazas and you get paid. but it's capital intensive to own a plaza. Once you own a plaza, you have arrived, because huge amount of money will be coming to you at the end of the year by that singular act. By that singular act. By that singular act. You get, by that singular act, you get paid. You get paid. So now, do you know in Nigeria, let me give you an example. A lady I respect so much, Linda Cage. Maybe he's a blogger. You know her, or maybe we have heard about her. She makes huge amount of money monthly. Let me tell you what you don't know. Do you know that there are some people in this country? I don't want, if I tell you what is going on in India and Chinese, Indians are one of the highest earners using social media platform. I mean legitimate earning. I'm not talking about people that are doing so many other unlegitimate things on social media. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about earning legitimately. Yes. I'm a social crusader. People that earning legitimately, that is what I'm promoting. Now, you know that there are some Nigerians that earns millions of naira monthly. Do you know? What you don't know is only a mystery to you and not to all. Some Nigerians are earning millions of naira monthly. They are living large. You might be seeing some of them with their duplex and the driving exotic cars, expensive cars. Some of these cars that I call moving duplex. Some are earning big because they have already worked for it and built their own platform and become either a connector or you are providing services. That is how to earn money on social media, you legitimately. So my advice to you is, know your passion. Yeah, some people are into um, uh, um, event creators. Understand? Yes. You can see some people that anything that happen on social media, the videos, they pick it up, they take it to their platform, start analyzing it and everything. They are looking for followers. Some people normally go visit their blog for the fact that they will always come with one information, trending information, one thing or the other. Just to have those first-hand informations. And if you'll be able to build build your own platform to greater height, believe in me, you'll be earning money like you have committed any other thing. No, this is legitimate money. But knowing how to grow it, one, you must have your vision. You must have passion for that kind of a thing. You must be consistent. Then you must be a creator. There's a way you create something out of nothing. We have lots of them that are creating some certain things and they're earning. Like I said, you can be earning by providing services. Check what is your strength. What are your strengths? Yes, check what are your strengths. You create based on whatever that is your strength. What you have passion for. Is it going into services? Is it going into being a connector? Is it what you have passion for? Is it going into promoting other people's platform, promoting people's goods, or you are selling goods? There's lots of many ways of making money, so social media. But what you don't know is what is your problem. Your problem, one, first of all, what you must do, one, you must have vision. You must have this vision must come from your head. Because Hosea 4 said, my people are suffering because of lack of vision. You must have vision, you must have knowledge. You must be mentored. Somebody must guide you. So he gave able to make one within you. Develop this year, activate your inner self to discover your real you and the real power that follows you. How will you achieve this? You will achieve this by first of all, be at peace with your chi and be at peace with your Izumi, and check your lifestyle. Your lifestyle must be positive one. Don't be living life as if everything ends here. Don't be living life without giving your life a meaning. You must be an honest person. You must be focused. You should not be living life as if hurting everybody here and there. Living life that's not worthy of emulation, because you don't know who you will meet at the other end. That's why you need to be nice to people. Some people on social media posting something that will hurt them tomorrow. Is it the type of life you want to live? You must live a modest life. Now, one, for your part, once you have already cleared your spiritual part, create time for your spiritual exercise. By so doing, we get vision. I tell people that it's only by spiritual exercise, because you need to fortify yourself, both the spiritual and the physical. Yes, don't do only fortify yourself physically. If you do not get prepared spiritual wise, it's not to get on top that is very important. What is important is to remain on top. There are some people that are build their house without laying proper foundation. One storm and the wings, everything collapses. But I'm telling you what will help you to be at the top. It's not making money, because anybody can make money. But I'm talking about any money. Then you have to build it from scratch. To avoid I used to be this, I used to be that. No. So you build a good platform, lay a good foundation spiritual wise, then be at peace with your spiritual mind. Then during your spiritual exercise, ask Yachi to give you vision, why and where they want you to follow in life. You will get inspiration of where your strength lies before you kickstart it. Then have a mentor, somebody that will always mentor you on the right path. Who are you following on social media? Are you following people that will not add value to you and to your vision? Is it people you are following? Now you must have a mentor that will always mentor you and strengthen you whenever you are down. Yes, because this thing I'm telling you is not going to be easy. There are going to be ups and downs. I know one of my friends, when he created his platform, he created his YouTube platform, at a stage, he got discouraged at early stage. Sometimes some people will subscribe, sometimes some people will unsubscribe, and this and that. It was demoralized. I said, no, keep it up. But today, he's smiling. You understand? He's earning big now. So what I'm telling you is, one, you must be mentored. One, mentorship, very important. Two, you must be focused. Don't build life full of distractions. Three, you must be creative. And the only way you can be creative is by bringing new innovations to your platform and to your vision. So it means that you keep on being connected with Yachi and your Ismail, so that they will keep on pumping you with new vision and innovations. You know that even MTN and Coca-Cola are on top, but they keep advertising, they keep bringing new innovation, they bring in new promo. Do you know? Because they want to remain on top. If they remain stagnant, believe in me, it's just a matter of time, another company will topple them. So the same thing is in life. So for you to remain on top, you need to be being creative, bringing new innovations, new ideas for you to remain on top. Because where you are, some people want to be there. So you can't just say, I've arrived. Do your hand like this. But I saw the so you must mentor. You must be a connector. Lastly, before I close for today, let me tell you what you don't know. Do you know that if you're a connector, you go far. You must be a connector to connect to people. Do you know on social media you can be making money by selling? Tomorrow I will teach you. Do you know that there is a way you can be buying some things from one platform and selling it on another platform? All of them are on social media and making money. Do you know some websites tomorrow? You will go some of the things. You can call it online importation. Import from those social media. Some are in China, some are in US, some are in all over. You get them at cheaper rate, then go to your another platform and resell it. Go to your wall and your page and resell it. Do you know that some people are making huge amount of money from it? Do you know that there are some certain things you can go to a main market, the direct importers, and get them at a cheaper rate and come back on your platform and sell? Those people that have large followers on their platform, some will be telling you they are selling so many things. You can see them on their platform. I don't want to call names. They will be selling some of those things. They will tell you what you will be putting on your as a ghetto to get shape and this and that, handbags and this and that. They are making money. They will not tell you. Believe in me, if you love trading, I can tell you, give you some platform where you can go and buy those things at cheaper rate and resell them. When I was in Abuja, when I'm into trading, I made a huge amount of money by buying from US and China and resell them in my platform and the other people's platform. And by so doing, I make huge amount of money. So there is no way you will be able to buy those things. You can go to some platform and get those things at cheaper rate and go to another platform and resell them at another rate. You understand? That is what is very important. That is what is very, very important. You must have where you buy and where you sell. When I was in Abuja, I made money. I know where the platform I normally buy my computer peripherals, where I normally get them, and they come to my platform, I sell it and sell it to other platforms. That is what I do. There is a platform I normally go to US and buy refurbish used item, IT, this in electronics, this in laptops, projectors, and rest of them. I'll buy them at cheaper rates and they come back to another platform and resell them. Believe in me, I made a huge amount of money from it. Even in Abuja, understand? I still have some properties there. You understand? The money I make from, call it online importation. I can tell you. Sometimes some people are not doing all those things because they don't know. Nobody really mentored them because they don't know that it's very important. Do you know that sometimes you burn your data and whatever on social media, and the platform you are following is not as if you are learning something there. You are burning your data. Understand? Do you know as we speak now, some people are on some social media watching videos, watching films, without even making dime or anything out of social media? Do you know that some people are making millions of naira? Do you know in Nigeria that some people are making it at 7 digits? 7 digits monthly. We have 7 digits. Yes, 7 figures monthly by building huge platform. Ọ bụrụ na ị nwere ajụjụ na nkụzi a ma ọ bụ na ịchọ ka agbara gị afọ ma ọ nwere ihe ọ bụla dị gị mkpa, send them message na WhatsApp 0805 78 672. I repeat, 0805 7837 672. Again, you can borrow the chat card IG. Where bia no watch tata. I was here. I was here again. This one I actually I get break it down. All again alpha. This teacher bring it down. That is part 2. I be done at Airtel 07 51 58 63 86 01 1221. I call again 07 51 58 63 86 01 1221. Let me call for the last time 07 51 58 63 86 01 1221. That is airtime. Let me call MTN 1195 33 9228. I repeat 1195 33 9528. Let me call for the last time 1195 33 9228. Remember, the card is only for my fans only. Don't copy it and send it to another person that is not in my fan list. It's only my fan. If it's not network you are using, jump and pass. Maybe some people will still watch this video later today on Facebook, and some will still watch it later today again on YouTube. Here, what you can for your friends and loved ones is to share this video so that they will hear from the horse's mouth. It's a life-changing one. Remember to join us tomorrow by 9 a.m. for part 2 of this wonderful topic we just treated today. Yeah, guys, yeah. Join us tomorrow by 9 o'clock. Oh yeah, I don't know. We'll do it tomorrow by 9 o'clock. Yeah, guys, yeah. Ngwara ka ọ dị na ụdị oge a echi niile bụ Tuesday, ya gazie.